Got a 2015 Pursuit package. Dodge Charger. Already took off the decals and the Dodge on the back of it. Got decals on here. I'm gonna change the rims. Got this headlight, good condition. Shout out to the guy that sent me that from Texas, man. $300 plus shipping. Gotta change out airbag. Pursuits don't come with, well, they take them out, the center consoles, and I'm gonna have to redo the dash. So I went all the way up to VA. I got the airbag. Actually, I got the whole steering column and steering wheel and everything, plus the airbag, dashboard, and the crash bar, all for $450, man. That was a great deal. Like the airbag is supposed to cost $450 by itself. Like the damage. Just take out this crash bar. I'm not sure if they have to cut this frame rail right here, or just either straighten this part out, straighten the end piece right there. That's pretty much it. Just the radiator support. Of course, that's plastic. The radiator support is damaged, and I probably will have to get a new one. I'm not sure if I don't think it can fit my light back in there. New hood. I got it off of SRT. I got it off of SRT package. Shout out to the guy for that hood, man. The hood is with the scoop and everything. He gave it to me for $350. So I'm catching a lot of deals, man, in the Mopar community. Headlights good. And right now, man, I'm just taking off the decals. Of course, this whole car have to get pretty much painted if I feel like it. But if not, then I'm still good. Windshield, and that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna put the Scat Pack SRT, the Hellcat hood on it, and the front bumper. Front bumper comes in tomorrow. So pretty much it. Probably do like a before and after video, of course. Seat belts got locked up. But overall, man, great car. It's pretty much dead right now. I left the headlight on with a ceiling light on one day, and yeah, right now just taking off the decals.